Third, we will see how to remove the background from an image in MS Word. So often, you might want to remove the background of an image in a Word document, leaving a transparent area instead. You could turn to the fully featured image editor, but you can do this right in the Microsoft Word. Note, please have the background as a plain background because I will explain the reason now. Let me share the screen. First, insert an image. Okay. Picture. I will choose my image. Okay. Okay. It's funny to see your own face. Okay. Click the image first. When you do that, you will notice an additional format option will appear on the ribbon. Switch to the tab and then click the remove background option. See, it is for left side. Click here. It's loading. Yes. Actually, Word colors background the image in magenta. Everything in magenta will remove from the image. Okay, so this is MS Office attempt to auto detecting the background of an image. As you can see, Word isn't quite sophisticated enough to accurately pick the background in most images. So this is a classic example. It's okay. Word provides this basic tool, so we can do this here. So you should now see new background removal tab on the ribbon with a fewer options. Mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove, delete mark, discard all changes, keep changes. Okay, these are the options available in the tab. So returning to our example, you can see the Word didn't correctly mark the background exactly what I want. So I will do some adjustment here. Okay. First, I want complete shoulder. Okay. So slowly. Okay, fine. So you will find this magenta here, but this area also I want it for my picture. So what I will do this. So let's start with the area we want to keep. Okay, mark area to keep. Just select and your pointer change to pen. And let me highlight that areas of the image you want to keep. You can click the spot or draw a little bit. Okay, so I will draw here. If I draw here, yes, okay, then that's all. Hope it's I hope everything will be yes. Okay, then some areas here I need to remove. So I just click the mark areas to remove. Okay. Then I will draw here. Yes. Okay. Then click keep changes. That's all. It's very, very easy to remove the background here. So this option is available in MS Word. So now you have a background clean image. Please make a note of it. Preferably use the plain or white background, or don't go for a complicated images and try to edit it Microsoft Word, because it says it is complicated. So MS Word is not that much sophisticated to remove the background. So use that minimum. So as I show that I use the image with white background, it is easy for me to remove that. Okay, that's all.